this is not exactly something I would wear, and that is exactly why I bought it. A peasant blouse, soft, romantic, delicate, and me, but sometimes the only way to evolve your style is to step outside of it. So with that, can I make this work as my anchor piece for my 7-piece capsule? Or did I just willingly sabotage my wardrobe?
Amour et passion, cœur et sentiment, romance, affection, partage et harmonie, vivre et désir, harmonie et cœur, passion et sentiment, voulez-vous coucher?
For some people, beginning a capsule wardrobe means choosing an array of basic classic pieces that give you full coverage of options. That's where I'm different. Still into creating the big picture, but I always have to start with inspiration. Now, I rarely impulse buy, but when I do, it's inspired. I was actually shopping Gap's recent sale for my 8-year-old son when I skimmed across this elegant beauty. I was pulled in by this piece because I've been interested in incorporating more feminine, delicate pieces to contrast my more masculine, contemporary, edgier pieces. So I added it to the cart, completed my purchase, and now here she is. Question is, can she earn her place? Now, I could just wear this top once and call it a day, but I want to push it further, see what it can really do. And the best way to test a new piece, build a capsule wardrobe around it. To test this new style theory out, I'm going to build a small capsule wardrobe around it. She will be my anchor piece. So first, let's choose our pairing pieces, the pieces we pair with the top to complete our look. I'm choosing my masculine contemporary pleated trouser and my edgy relaxed barrel jean. These are the perfect example of some of the pieces I'd like to soften with some feminine contrast. Okay, then layering pieces. Again, the extra accents do make it a little trickier, but I'm up for the challenge. So the first one that comes to mind is my new quince cardigan. I just love the simplicity of this, and why I got this is for the exact purpose of taking a short sleeve and being able to make it warm and cozy in the wintertime without adding too much bulk. I've got a lot of short sleeves that I'd like to pair with blazers, but blazers can be a bit breezy sometimes. Take this, layer this, and then layer this, and be warm and cozy, but also bringing in dimension with our different layers. And now, top off and sprinkle pieces. Top off pieces are the pieces that top off a look. Jackets, coats, and shoes. Fabulous footwear. You just can't go wrong with a Chelsea boot because a Chelsea boot is classic, yet edgy. It can elevate casual and edge up your sophisticated. And you can truly go the distance in these babies. Figuratively and literally, because they're really comfortable. So now sprinkles are the accessories. If you pick the right accessories, you won't need a lot of them. The idea for me with this capsule wardrobe is to have it do it all. To have it from the morning oatmeal making, lunch preparing, rushing to the bus to going out to a fashion event. Maybe it's an art opening, whatever it may be, some sort of elevated event. And I want this capsule wardrobe to do it all. All right, well, I think we have what we need to give this top a run for its money. Oops, I suppose I need the rest of the clothes. We got this, okay. A modular capsule wardrobe is like a mini fashion ecosystem. A small group of pieces that work interchangeably, effortlessly creating outfits. The true test for any new piece is how it circles back to the rest of the system. You're only as strong as your weakest link when it comes to styling outfits. So, let's see how she survives. All right, so as I stand here looking at these pieces, I'm not gonna lie, I am a little worried on how these outfits are gonna come together. Well, where's the bonnet to go with it? No, yeah. Is it even called a peasant blouse? Well, that's just insane. Okay. On the right track. Yes. Edwardian blouse? I saw that going differently in my mind. Vintage prairie style blouse. All right. That's pretty cute. Yeah. No. All right. Now we're talking. Okay. That feels better. Yeah. Okay, short sleeve cotton blouse it is. Yeah. Peasant blouse. Edwardian blouse? What? So here's the thing. Putting it together in theoretical outfits is fine. The hard test is, can this work for me every day, stylistically? Like, do I feel great in this? Even if I'm sticking around home most days. And let's be honest, this homebody is. But that does not mean that I need to sacrifice my fierceness. Clothes are here to express ourselves, to make us feel like the best badass version of ourselves. If they're doing that, they're doing their job. Can this peasant blouse, short sleeve cotton blouse, live up to that standard?
Passion, cœur et sentiment, romance, affection, partage et harmonie, vivre et désir, harmonie et cœur, passion et sentiment, voulez-vous coucher, amour et passion, cœur et sentiment, romance, affection, partage et harmonie, vivre et désir, harmonie et cœur, passion et sentiment, voulez-vous coucher. Voulez-vous coucher?
Good to know that this capsule wardrobe can do it all with this top in the center of it. What today has showed us is a capsule wardrobe can also be used as a tool. Turns out this peasant blouse belongs here after all. And I know that now by utilizing my capsule wardrobe method. Evolving your style should make you feel a little uncomfortable at first, but stepping outside of our comfort zone challenges us. And something that challenges us pushes us forward, helps us to gain a little perspective, maybe even more confidence. So embrace it, harness the power of the challenge, and let it be a part of your story. So tell me, what's your style story?
Les sentiments, pour les faire coucher.